Hey guys, I don't know if anyone will see it, but I thought to myself that it will be a great exercise to record and recap all of the days from the past week each week. And I say to myself, why not record it and upload it to YouTube? So we'll start with the 16th of June. As you know, I trade only Tesla for now, and I specialize in it. Let's start. This is 8 a.m. This is the pre-market. As you can see here, we have a massive fair breakdown from the day before, and we open at the top of the range with nice flat top, two flat tops to break out of. It can be potentially a big day for breakout. Also, we have this massive fair breakdown, we reclaim this level, but I'm looking more at this one. Okay, so as you can see, fair breakdown, reclaim, flat top to break out of. I would like to see a fake breakdown at the gate to join long. Let's put the levels. This is the previous day high. I'll mark it in blue. And this is the previous day low. Now let's put the pre-market high. Let's ignore this 8 a.m. bullshit candle. Now I'll mark it in light blue. Like this one, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Let's copy it and put the pre-market low. Okay, so my plan. Let's move to the 15 minutes. This is 15. I'll check later if this is the true pre-market high. Okay, so I would like to see a dip and push at the gate, preferably with a fair breakdown of a key level, maybe this one, but I need to see on the 1 minute chart. And we have a very nice breakout setup. Very nice. Let's hit the 1 minute. This is at 50. Let's move it to the right. Okay. For me, the level that I want to see get cleared out at the gate is this one. And this one. As you can see, we opened and we did exactly that, but no follow through. That's crazy. Like on 80% of the times, it should have bring us a huge breakout. I didn't trade this day, but a lot of good traders I know got fucking wrecked while longing this dip and push for a massive breakout and we just slam down. Here I don't see any continuation setup as we did a nice fair breakdown here. Maybe short into this one and get stopped, maybe reshort all of this formation, and yet we want to arrive to our destination. First target is under this low, so I don't know, maybe after this fair breakdown you can join long here, but just this shitty price action, shitty price action, choppy sideways action, pure bullshit. Let's go to the next day, to the 17th. Should move this line. Okay, this is the pre-market. Let's put the pre-market low. Yet, let's put the pre-market high. This is the 8 a.m. candle. Okay, yesterday high remains pretty much the same. Yesterday low is here. And once again, this is another great breakout day. Fair breakdown, untested eye, untested eye, untested eye, untested eye. All of those Highs are main liquidity areas of shorts that shorted on all of this area. They're risking probably here, 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 or here. So we want to go there. The price wants to go there. Let's move to the 15-minute chart. Okay. This is the 16th went back. Okay. 16th, this is the pre-market of the 17th. Pre-market low is here. This is the, no. This is the 4M candle? No. This is, okay, so the pre-market low is here. Pre-market high is here. Yet let's ignore this bullshit candle. So let's see the formation again, once again. Fair breakdown, a lot of untested highs. I'd like to see a fair breakdown at the gate, wash and instant reclaim to long at this area for breakout of this high with a target of even 340. We can get a huge move, even more than that. Let's see what we got. Move to the 1 minute. 16. Once again, another BS open. I want to see this level get cleared out. Deep, fair breakdown, push. Once again, absolute horror. This setup has huge win rate. I don't know what happened here, but we set up even the best of them as periods of drawdown. So this is the period of drawdown. I had the periods with like 80 till 19% win rate on the setup with average of 4 or 5 hour. That is crazy. But yeah, even the best setups has some drawdowns, and this is one of them. Fair breakdown, reclaim, just to do nothing. Just nothing goes down. Retest this fair breakout. We had the fair breakdown into a fair breakout of this key level, but don't look at it very much as the main plays to the upside. So I want to take a short after this small fair breakdown, but it gave a beautiful retest. Boom. Failing. Backside clear out here, but I couldn't take it. Didn't trade as well on this day. I don't know. Another fair breakdown. Kind of a reclaim. Yeah. Fair breakdown. Retest. On those moves, I want to wait for another fair breakdown. Breakdown. Retest goes up. Another one here. You can long here. And yeah, what's happened? Absolutely nothing. Another fair breakout. Few traps, and then it flashes down. This one probably a nice one. Tiny fair breakout. Tiny backside clear out here. And just nothing happens. Goes clear out once again, and then we get this fat move down, but yet I wouldn't take it. Didn't trade as we're in a war with Iran, so I didn't sleep well. And it was a pretty stressful period, so I took 2 days off, and it was beneficial for me because I missed those shitty days that I would have probably ended up red, but I don't care because if I would have taken this long, it's 100% correct. Let's move to the next day, 18th of June. Let's see, this is 12. Okay, this is the pre-market. Let's put our levels. Pre-market high, this is 7 a.m. Let's move a bit to the right. No. Okay, let's erase this one. Erase this one. This is the low. Yesterday low and yesterday's high remains pretty much the same. Let's move it here, but this is the main high. Okay. Once again, not a bad day for long, but after this one fail and this one fail and this one fail, and we open near the bottom of the range, I would have preferred to go short on it because we're closer to this level, and a lot of longs got trapped on those days. A lot of long took the long for breakout, and just nothing happened. The stops are here, so I would have preferred the breakdown day. So my plan was backside clear out of this level, retest and dump, or open and instant dump to join short or two. Don't want to involve in a long unless we reclaim kind of this level, go above pre-market high and hold it, and then I would have longed it. Let's see what happened. Let's move to the 15-minute chart first. The 17, go to the 18. Okay, move it here. So I would like to see that. Push, fail, retest, boom. Okay, another one, and another leg, ideally to the 310 level to target it. So this one. Okay, let's see what happened. 1 minute chart. This is 17. Don't know why he's doing it. And what we got? The complete opposite. That's fucking crazy. Very, very tricky price action. I have nothing to say. I did trade it this day. I didn't take any position, but I was in front of the computer, getting ready to trade. Open with a very low volume, very, very low volume, and the price was like very light. If that makes sense, you see, it goes down, boom, get bought, goes down, getting bought, getting bought, goes down, getting bought, getting bought, getting bought. Felt very, very light to the upside, like a balloon with helium. So trying to go up, and we have this open, push down, fair breakdown of the pre-market low, not a significant level, but we fair break down it. Backside clear out here. A lot of shorts are getting in for a move down. On another situation, I would have taken it short, but the price just didn't behave good. So the tape, it was going down and boom, get up, get up, get up. It felt so light. You don't see the heaviness here, so I didn't take it. Retest of the fair breakdown level and just boom, going up. Huge day, huge day. Unfortunately, I didn't take anything because I don't see any clear entry signal. Zero solid pullbacks. Maybe this dip and push, but I don't like to chase because if I enter here, I have to risk this area, and that's too much. That's like 3 points almost. Don't see nothing here. Goes reclaim the pre-market high. Not even a big reclaim, just goes stepping over it and go up. Don't see any clear. Maybe this one. This one, but yeah, it's just too small. Too small. It's very important to not get involved in shorts on those days of the breakout days. As you've seen, massive high time frame fair breakdown with an untested eye, few untested eyes. It's very important not to go short on each bullshit 1 minute morning star. Fair breakout, getting soaked. Fair breakout, getting soaked for what? For this. Here, all of the shorts are getting fucked. Everyone is interested in shortening it. Oh, it's done. It's going to go down. It's going to go down, and boom. For triggering their stop losses. Once again, fake breakout just to get soaked. On those days, it's even correct to enter on a soak, on a close above the level. This is the level. When we close above it, you can enter long, but I'm not a huge fan of those because you have to risk way too much. Way too much. So nothing for me. Also, on June 18th. June 19th, we had the new holiday that Davis invented. Let's go to June 20th. 19th, previous day high, yet we didn't broke out of the main high. That's a very important key. So yet I'm again bullish on it, very bullish. Pre-market low, pre-market high, very close to the previous day high. It's a keynote, you will understand later why. Yesterday low, this one. Plan once again. Massive fell breakdown, reclaim. We're curling up on the top of the range. Want to see a massive breakout. Okay? This, this, mm, this is the main one. This is my line in sand. Until we break out of this level, no covers. Zero covers. You can get a huge move to the 340, even 350 if you're patient, but no covers until 335. This is big move. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. So chart. This is June 18th. No. Okay. Let's move to the 1 minute. I want to show you after that the 15-minute chart post action. Go to see that. Because on that time frame chart, everything is a bit more clearer. A bit more clear. I want to get a fake breakdown of this level as we got at the gate. I longed it here, and here, full size. For what? For nothing, absolute nothing. I recognize this top. I wanted to give it a little bit of room to go. Just bullshit. Goes down, triggering a massive fair breakout. This low is remaining untested. Then we got this one. Oh my god, pop to the previous pre-market high, and the previous day was even a bit lower. Should have taken it. Also, the view open 9 EMA were here. Should have taken it, but I hesitated because it was too clear, too good to be true for me, and it was true. It was true. Went down, fell back down of pre-market low, but I'm not interested in it because my main target was the 320. I'll show you later why. Fair breakdown, so goes up. So this little fair breakout, okay, little bull trap, took it, tiny stop, took it with F size. Should have waited because this is my 5 minute candle stop. And look at this, absolutely gorgeous. Backside clear out of the 5 minute top. Backside clear out of this level, and boom, just goes down. I covered some. No, I took it all to the bottom of the leg. Then we got another leg, and it was a very nice trade. I will show it right now. This is actually the only trade that I took for this week. This was the 20th of June. This is what I did. Very nice chart. Very nice. As you see, long. Got a break even. Was pretty big in the money. Won't lie to you. Was like four points in the money. Break even. Should have reheat it here for a short. Didn't take it. Tiny stop here, and then took it here for 75% of this position. This was 50% of this. This was only starter size. This was full, not full size, but 70% of my full size. Took it all to the bottom for a very nice day. But I want to show the 15-minute chart. Look at this. Look at this. What a huge fair breakout. This is what I told you yesterday. Hi, it's closer. Huge fair breakout. Just massive. And as you see, my target was the 320 level, the 321. Wanted to see it get fair breakdown, but if we're more accurate, this should be our level. As you can see what happened here. We broke down of it, reclaimed, and boom. This is how the market moves. Fair breakdown, fair breakouts. This is just the mechanics of the market. I'll show the 5 minutes chart as I told you. You see? A second, I'll show you the chart, the 1 minute chart next to it. As you can see, this is this. You see this clear out? A lot of longs, long in, long in, long in, long in. A lot of shorts that took it here. Risk this. Backside clear out, triggering the stops, triggering the longs, and the big ends are selling into it. It was a nice week for me as I took the only the good stuff. I had a lot of luck here, but it was a very tough one as we should have got a huge breakout, but we'll wait. We'll wait for this week as I think. I don't see another option than a massive, massive, massive breakout. Maybe on Monday. I don't know if it will really occur, but it mm, looks pretty even. But this one, it wasn't on the market open. No, it is good because this is the it's 9 a.m. So we had real volume here. We broke down, kind of a retest. Not the one I want to see. And now we're here. Ideally, I want to see a consolidation, tight consolidation at Monday. Fair breakdown. Boom. And this. Just go out. If it will happen, I will long it and just close my eyes and wait for like an half an hour and then cover. So it can give us a huge one. But on the other side, we can also get exit clear out and a dump. But I don't know. I don't know because the long didn't work for a few times. So maybe a lot of longs are trapped here. They stop at this area, this one or this one, and maybe a lot of shorts are trapped. I don't know. That's a flip of a coin for me, but I'm tending more to the long side as we have more untested high. This, this, this one is pretty new. And here we only got this one, but yeah, we need to see. Let's look at the daily. I think the daily will give us more information about it. Yeah, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. We need to go. Maybe we'll do this before, but it has to go. It just has to go. Let's see. Let's see. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll meet next week on another series of videos. I'll try to do it permanently. Thank you guys. It was nice to be with you.